What's up, y'all? It's gonna be a quick video. I got this new plugin called the BB2s by Waves. It came with the new update of Waves 14 Mercury bundle. This thing is like magic, man. It make your song feel like analog. I'm gonna just do a quick play. I don't know if you can hear it through my phone, but it's off now. It's off. I'm gonna turn it on. Show and prove. Man, listen, that thing gives it an analog full sound. You can put this on anything. I got it on the stereo bus at the end right now, but you can put it on vocals, any instrument. It's gonna make it sound like analog, fat, and no hiss. It's amazing.